Hey everyone, my name's Andrew. I'm the owner of Nature Lion. It's the end of 2023 and I just wanted to give you all a little update of what's going on at the farm. So this year we've created 2 new growing kits. Chestnut mushrooms, a fan favorite, and the blue oyster mushrooms. Easy to grow, beautiful, great texture. You guys can now expand upon your previous experiences growing our mushroom kits. Or if you're new, just starting out, you can try some new varieties that aren't available at the other companies. Nature Lion is focused on providing you guys with exceptional value for your money. We have a 100% guarantee on our mushroom kits. They're easy to grow, and we're happy to help you out every step along the way. We have a very detailed growing guide on our website. If you read over it, I'm sure you'll be an expert mushroom farmer in no time. The chestnut mushrooms have a really nice, exceptional umami flavor, a nuttiness, and a really unique texture that just isn't really found at most grocery store mushrooms. The blue oysters, very easy to grow in about 2 to 3 weeks. There's so many different things you can do with them. I want you guys to just kind of be creative, grow your mushrooms, look up some recipes, and experiment with different things. That's what this is all about, is getting fresh food that you wouldn't otherwise be able to get at the grocery store. Another thing we've done in 2023 is we partnered with a farm in Sharon, Ontario. We've created a partnership company called King Lion's Mane Inc. At King Lion's Mane, all we do is grow fresh lion's mane. It's such an amazing mushroom with so many potential health benefits. That's why we've stayed focused on lion's mane specifically. We've been given access to 30,000 square feet of growing rooms in Sharon. So far, we're using 2 of the growing rooms, so about 7,000 square feet. We've got that filled with lion's mane bags that are currently growing for the grocery stores. But more importantly, we're focusing on adding lion's mane into products that already you know and love. Lion's mane, it's got benefits for brain, it's got benefits for memory. There's been studies that have indicated that can improve your mood. And I think there's still a lot of research to be done, but lion's mane, basically we're gonna put it in everything. But you can check out the website, kinglionsmane.com, and you can buy fresh lion's mane powder grown right here in Canada, non-GMO, it's all organic. You just add it to your smoothies, your teas, you can add it to your pasta sauces. Get creative, think of some snacks. Lion's mane can go in it. You can add health benefits to things you already do. So it's a really easy way to incorporate it. So think about that, check out kinglionsmane.com. Another thing that we've done here at the farm in 2023, well actually in the last couple of weeks, is we partnered with the CP24 Chum Christmas Wish. In that, we're going to be giving away 100 kits to kids. So Nature Lion is giving these kits away. It's not going to cost anybody anything. It's just going to be from us to the kids. So that is going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. But we've left this option open for you guys to help us out. And if you go to our website, there's a banner across the top that talks about the Chum Christmas Wish. You can buy a kit for a kid in need for only $15. So we've lowered the price of the kit. If you're going to be buying it for a child for Christmas, it's only $15. If you're going to spend $100 on our website anyways, we're going to give a kit away to a kid for the CP24 Chum Christmas Wish. Go to our website, spend $100, you get free shipping when you spend $100, and a kit will be donated to a kid in need, a family in need. It's a really inspirational gift. It's a great thing to do. We really stand behind this. We want to inspire young minds, and we need your help to help inspire even more people. So giving a gift of a mushroom kit to a kid, it can change their lives. It can teach them to be healthier. It can teach them how to grow their own food. It can teach them how to be more sustainable human beings. It can really spark a lot of motivation. So I really want to encourage all of you to go and buy a kit for a kid this Christmas, or spend $100, get yourself some nice stuff, and also get the benefit of giving a mushroom kit to a child. The other benefit, when you go to our website right now, right now until Christmas, till December 25th. You spend $50, you're gonna get a free chaga powder. So really the deals are endless. Naturelion.ca. We are a forward-thinking company. We're here to inspire you guys. So far, since 2020, we've sold over 25,000 mushroom growing kits, creating upwards of 50,000 pounds of mushrooms for your kitchen table. So if that's not a great thing, I don't know what is. We're really hoping to have your support. It's almost Christmas. You've got about another week to get your orders in. We're shipping across the country. Everything's ready to go. So just go to naturelion.ca, add some items to your cart, help out the kids, get a free chaga powder for yourself. Shop local. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in 2024.